SEO Basics course. Module 1. Avoiding SEO scams and cons.
The Webmaxing SEO Basics course is all about understanding search engine optimization and how you can go about applying it to your website. But before we get started, it's worth covering some common traps that people fall into on their SEO journey, even if they start out planning to do the search engine optimization themselves. In this module we'll cover how to spot an SEO shark agency, how to avoid SEO scams and cons, and how to spot SEO amateurs. Meet Lenny. Lenny just wants to jump straight in and get started with his search engine optimization. But it isn't always easy. With SEO, it often takes time to see results, and your hard work can sometimes seem to go unrewarded. Shark SEO agencies are waiting until people like Lenny hit lows and feel depressed. Then they pounce, promising amazing results for, "That's not a huge amount, what do I have to lose?" How much is that exactly? Well, there's a Shark SEO agency to fit every budget, so if $5,000 per month is too much for you, there'll be one that offers something equally attractive for $2,000 per month, and so on. Most of the time what they do is useless, but they know "that's not a huge amount, what do I have to lose" is also "that's not enough to make it worth suing to get my money back," especially when they are probably located somewhere halfway around the planet. If a Shark SEO agency can't get you onto a monthly contract, they might try an amazing one-off service, also for "that's hardly anything, so what do I have to lose?" Usually we're talking about $50 to $100 services. Again, you probably won't benefit. Remember, they are selling hope to desperate people. And beware of the dreams they sell. Both Shark SEO contracts and miracle methods can actually be dangerous because of the type of search engine optimization these agencies and contractors actually practice. It's SEO that can get you banned from the major search engines like Google and Bing. And when it happens, they'll be nowhere to be found. This type of search engine optimization is called Blackhat SEO. It violates the terms and conditions of use laid down by major search engines, and so they are perfectly within their rights to throw you out of their search results if you've been applying it to your website. Now let's be just crystal clear about this. There is nothing wrong with SEO contracts or one-off pieces of SEO work. It's all about how they are sold. Sharks target ignorance with their selling techniques. They will usually do one of the following. Offer guaranteed results. We'll see why this is impossible for any meaningful rankings in the next module. They might try and impress or overwhelm you with lots of jargon. Finish these modules and you'll know all the lingo, so they won't stand a chance with this approach. They could tell you that they can't say how they are going to work because they are using a top secret method. But there is nothing top secret about SEO, unless it is a particularly ugly version of Blackhat SEO. Or another favourite is to claim that they know someone inside Google or Bing that tells them how to rank websites, but hush hush, eh? Complete this course, and whether you plan to do your own SEO or contract it out, you'll be able to spot a shark in less than 30 seconds, and that will save you a lot of time and hassle. Now there is one more type of SEO to be aware of: one-trick pony SEO. These are contractors who have learnt one small part of SEO. They tried it once and it didn't work. They tried it a second time on a different website and it didn't work. They tried it on a third website and it failed. They applied it to a fourth website and got results. Ooh. Then they write a book about it and try and persuade you to pay them because it really works. Honest. You part with your cash, they use it on your website, and it fails. They will be all puzzled as to why it didn't work for you. Range worked before. But not quite enough to give you your wasted time and money back. Different websites require different SEO approaches. There is not a one-hat-fits-all. You can spot a one-trick pony search engine optimizer because no matter what other SEO techniques you try to discuss, they will always discount them for some reason or other in favour of their approach, the only one they know, or know how to do. My way, my way. So how do you avoid becoming a victim of bad SEO? Complete this course and you'll never be taken in by a shark or clueless amateur. If you are contracting out, or plan to contract out, your SEO, you can go from the person who feels lost to the one who is in control and actually enjoy working with your search engine optimizer. Has this video highlighted issues with your SEO work, or with a website you are working on, but you don't know how to resolve them? There are simply too many ways a website can be built for us to offer a comprehensive how-to part to these tutorials. However, we would recommend the following steps. First, try Googling it. If you know what platform your website is built on, say Xcart or WordPress, just try Googling what you need. For example, how to make WordPress URLs SEO friendly, to find out how you can make changes to the URLs of your WordPress-based site. You'll be surprised how often issues have already been resolved by others, and sometimes they have even created plugins so you can make the changes you need to without needing any technical skills. If this doesn't resolve your issue, you probably will need the help of a programmer. In this case, see the Need Help link below this video or in the module text for options. That was Module 1, Avoiding SEO Scams and Cons. Next up, Module 2, Understanding Personalized Search. And, as they always say at the end of these videos, if you like what you saw, remember to subscribe.